Now, finally, I'd like to introduce the so-called Argmin and Argmax operators that we'll use frequently in the context of optimization. For example, when optimizing computer vision objective functions or machine learning models with respect to parameters. Let X denote a set. Calligraphic X denote a set. We define the Argmin and the Argmax operators as follows. Let's first consider the Argmin operator. The Argmin of f of x with respect to x drawn from out of some domain is equal to the set of all x's for which the function attains its minimal value over all possible x's. Right? It's simply the value, it's not the function value at the location of the minimum. It is the argument of the function where the function attains its minimal value. And similarly, Argmax of f of x is the set of x's. This can be multiple x's. It can be a unique maximum, but it can also be multiple x's, where the function attains its maximum. Let's look at some examples. Let's consider the square function. The Argmin of x squared with respect to x is 0. Well, in this case also the function is 0 at that location, but in particular the argument is 0, where the function attains its minimal value 0. Here's another example. If we take the argmax of the cosine function, the cosine of x, for x's out of the range 0 to 4 pi, then the cosine hits its maximum value 1 exactly 3 times, namely at 0, 2 pi, and 4 pi. That's why the argmax of cosine of x over that range is 0, 2 pi, or 4 pi. Here are 2 more examples. Let's consider the linear function x. The argument of x over the range -1 to 1 is obviously -1. And the argument of a constant over the entire domain of real numbers is the set of all real numbers, because all of them are equally good. The minimum is always the same. Or at every x we attain the minimum of this constant. The argmax and the argmin operator, as already mentioned, are relevant in the context, for example, of maximum likelihood estimation in machine learning. Let's just review one slide that we'll also see in the deep learning lecture. Let X denote a data set now with samples drawn IID from a data distribution. Let the model P model, the model distribution P model of Y given X and parameters W be a parametric family of probability distributions, right? So we have now a model that makes predictions Y given inputs X, new inputs that haven't been observed before, or data points for which we want to minimize the parameters, and the parameters we call W. That's what we want to minimize. Then the conditional maximum likelihood estimator for W is given as follows. We say the estimate, the maximum likelihood estimate, and we call this W hat to indicate that it's an estimate, is the argmax of the likelihood with respect to W, right? And then through the IID assumption, we can factorize this into the individual data points. And then because, well, the product of P model is the same. Well, the argmax of the product of P model is the same as the argmax of the sum of the logarithm of P model, right? Which is the same as the logarithm of the product of P model. We can continue like this. So we see that we have the maximum log likelihood here as well, because the logarithm is a monotonic function. So this is just an example where we see that the argmax is useful because it describes the solution to an optimization problem.